I'm going to be making coffee in a Black & Decker coffee maker. The first thing that I'm going to be doing is placing a filter inside of the Black & Decker coffee maker. Then I'll be adding my Lion coffee. This is the vanilla macadamia variety, nice flavor. I'll pour some inside of the filter, just enough to make a full pot of coffee. Next, I'll pour water inside of the rear of the coffee maker. I'm pouring enough to make about 10 cups of coffee. After I've poured the water in the back of the coffee maker, I'll put the coffee pot in place and press start for the Black & Decker coffee maker. Once I've programmed the coffee maker to make coffee, it's not long before the coffee maker begins brewing a hot pot of coffee, all the way up to 10 cups. Black & Decker coffee maker.